Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm reacting for the very first time to This Is Rally 19, the best scenes of rallying, pure sound. I've heard this video is absolutely wild. Real engines, real skills, real danger. Let's feel the power.
Oh, listen to that sound. That's pure engine music right there.
How do they control the car at that speed on gravel? That's insane. Bro, one mistake and it's over. The precision is unreal. Look at that jump! How is the car even still in one piece? This is not racing, this is art. Absolute mastery.
Secca in D5, oggi qua 40 buoni, A4 meno tieni veloce, lunga in D2, in A4 piena. Dai figa col cuore.
The sound echoing through the trees? Goosebumps, man. The co-driver calling notes while flying like this? Respect.
Biggest moment of my life there, through the bump.
I can't believe they pushed the car like that in the corners. Full send. Hands down, rallying is the most dangerous and exciting motorsport. Okay, I need more of this. This is addictive.
Jävlar!